Hi everyone, how you doing? This is Hetty again from Nanny's Italian Kitchen. What I'm going to be making for you today is Clams Casino. I've had a couple of requests and now I'm finally doing it. What I have here is 12, baked at 11. One clam was cracked. 12 clams that I'm going to steam open. If I knew how to open them, I would, but unfortunately I don't. So I'm going to steam them open. Here we go. I'm going to do it a little, we're going to set that. And in the meantime, I'm sauteing some bacon. Now, I don't want to cook it all the way. I'm going to cook the bacon till I semi-cook and use some of the drippings. Okay, so that's there. I got that on medium. And over here, I have a stick of butter, softened, and a half a pepper. A half a pepper's going in there. I'm going to mix it together. And I'm going to chill it. Okay, we don't want that. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to chill it. And in the meantime, I've chopped up some parsley and I'm going to chop a couple of cloves of garlic. When these are steamed open and these are done, I'm going to put these, this one looks like it's getting there. So I'm going to take a paper towel, put it on here, and take the bacon out as it gets cooked. Now this one's not cooked. This one looks like it's almost done. There you go. This one's almost done. And so when these are done, I'm gonna put them on the paper towel, let them get the fat off. And then I'm going to use the drippings in here for my mixture. And I'll be back when that's done. Okay, so I have the butter and the peppers here. I'm going to put it on a piece of foil like that. And roll it to like a ball, a cylinder, whatever, like that. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. And then when the clams, I have the clams laid out, I'm going to cut pieces and put them on the top. I'll be back for the next step. Okay, so I steamed the clams open. And I'm going to put some of the liquid in here. Now, if you know how to open the clams without steaming, by all means, go right ahead, because I've tried. My grandfather was a fisherman, and I just can't get it. So I put the extra juice in here, and I put the clam here. Open the clam. You got to get this here. Put it on one half. Loosen the clam. And put it here. I'll be back when they're all done. Okay, so I have the bacon fat heating up that I took from the bacon here, of course. And not too much, just enough. If you got a lot of bacon fat, take some out. So what I'm going to do here is, I have 2 cloves of garlic that I'm going to saute. You could use onion, but I find I don't like the onion. I don't like the onion. There we go. So we're gonna have it on medium heat, and the garlic is sauteing. So they mince it very, very fine. I'll be back when it's ready. All right, so I'm adding parsley to the garlic. and do it just a quick turn. Oh, how fragrant. Watch your hand. I'm going to put it in this bowl. I'm going to add in some bacon. Whoa. I have here a little bit of clam juice, only about a tablespoon. Mix it together with a quarter cup of panko and a quarter cup of breadcrumbs. Mix it together. Okay, here we go. I usually have 12 clams in here, but one clam was cracked, and so I don't want to use it. Anyway, we'll take a spoonful of the filling, put it on top. When I'm finished doing this, I'll be back. Okay, so now this is where the peppers and the butter comes in. You put a piece on each clam. Now we're going to put it in the broiler for 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, here they go. Aren't they beautiful? I'm going to taste one in here. It's a little hot, needless to say. I'll take a small one. Ooh. That fell. That is really good. Whoa, that's hot. You could squeeze a little lemon on here if you like. But they're really, really good. I hope you try them. They're not hard. Until the next video, bon appetit.